Flat your front body. Pin to hold. The cloth must be aligned with the pattern horizontally, because if this is not aligned, it will affect the whole outcome of your project. Cut it following the shape of the front. Cut it aligned with the dart for a clean result. Cut it all through the armhole part. This technique is to hide and to hold the collar part, and it looks clean when it's done. Cut fusible cloth same with the second part of continuous collar, the inner part. The fusible cloth must stick to the cloth. We will iron and spray water while ironing to make it stick to the cloth. Iron it until it sticks to the cloth. Spraying water is the best way to make it stick faster while ironing. Then after ironing, that will be the time to attach it to the body. This technique will make your continuous collar firmness last longer than fusible Pellin. Connect the right side and left side of your collar. Connect the collar to back portion of the neckline. Flat the center connection before closing the collar. Then pin to hold. Then stitch it to the top of the back of the collar to close it. After closing, the next part is connecting to the shoulder and dart for a clean outcome. Flat the inner part of the collar to the body. Pin it to hold still. Pin all the inner part to the outer part to make it stable. While sewing, make sure it's all flattened, because it will affect the overall outcome of the project. So it aligns stitches of the dart. The edges must clean through the etching machine. Then try to fold as a review. On the armhole part, cut the excess and just leave 1/4 inch to fold. Fold going inside and stitch it to the machine. Same way with the shoulder line. This technique is clean to look inside. Now it's done and ready to iron. I hope it gives you additional technique and ideas for sewing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.